Thanks for tuning in to Born to Ride TV, the longest running motorcycle TV show in the world. This week, Josh Maloney tells us the whole story of the Florida Harley Group's annual bike build-off, and where and when you can see all 10 of these wicked Harley-Davidsons. Then it's racing for orphans as Reverend Jim and Dennis Campbell team up with the Florida Sheriff's Youth Ranches to help kids who need help by racing, riding, and building motorcycles. What a great concept. America can learn a lot from the biker community. All this and more here on Born to Ride.
This is The Undertaker, and you're watching Born to Ride.
My name is Josh Maloney. I'm the marketing director at HD Florida South, specifically Brandon, Tampa, Newport Richey stores. We have 5 in total, Panama City Beach and Tallahassee as well. And all 5 stores are competing in our annual biker build-off. So what we've done this year is we've given each store 2 bikes. One's a bagger, one's a mid-size cruiser, Dyna, Softail, one of those. And we've given them budgets, a little bit higher budget on the bagger than on the mid-size cruiser. And other than that, we let them run. And it's interesting as marketing director getting to see all 5 stores and what each store does and how they interpret the bikes they choose, the way they build them, and just their personal touch store by store. So since I get to see them all, I got to keep it kind of top secret. We're going to unveil the bikes March 2nd at our Brandon location, 9841 East Adamo Drive. Starts at 8 a.m., goes till 10. The public is welcome. And it's an internal judging, so all 5 stores are bringing all 10 bikes to be unveiled at once in the same place in our Brandon showroom. So those people that want to see all the bikes in person, because the 2 northern stores, Panama City Beach and Tallahassee, those bikes are going back to the stores once the judging is over. So they're going to be here for a day, and then they go back to each respective store. So our southern bikes will stay at our 3 southern stores, our northern bikes will go back. The really cool thing about this is that the criteria we try to instill in the dealerships is stay in budget, 1, which I know Gary Bang and those guys like, and 2, the bikes are going to be for sale, all 10 of them. And if I remember correctly, last year 1 or 2 of them were sold prior to them even being unveiled. So it's a custom bike that you can afford, you can ride. It's got a factory warranty, it's safe, and it was built by one of our 5 stores. So it's a really unique opportunity to see the bikes in person, sit on them, check them out, talk to the guys that actually built them, and just to see our facility here in Brandon. So it's a really great opportunity, and we're excited. We do it every year, and I think 2017 is going to be the best one yet. So we're super stoked to be doing this. appreciate the partnership we have with Born to Ride. We appreciate all the great things they do for the biker community. We've done a bunch of events with them at our dealerships all through the state of Florida. We love those guys. Ron Galletti, you're the man. And Born to Ride will be right back, so you stay put.
The Florida Harley Group, 5 dealerships, are building art, power, and design. It's their annual Harley Biker Build-Off, a busted knuckle competition between Harley-Davidson Tampa, Brandon, Newport Richey, Panama City, and Tallahassee. Each dealership is building a badass bagger and a mid-size cruiser. Don't miss the unveiling of these 10 monster custom Harleys Thursday, March 2nd at Harley-Davidson of Brandon. We need you to choose the winner and be a part of the party. Oh, and just so you know, all 10 of these customs will be for sale. That's Thursday, March 2nd, Brandon Harley-Davidson, the event you do not want to miss.
Yeah, we have here Pelican's Corner. It's kind of a park-like setting here at Harley-Davidson in Newport Richey. A few years back, one of our team members nicknamed our regular guest Pelicans, and it kind of stuck. They wear it as a badge of honor. So we had a solid wood carving of a pelican placed over here at Pelican Corner.
My name's Tom Clayby from Newport Richey, Florida. This is our soft tail build. It's 14-inch apes, get 36-inch fishtails, get a lowering kit. It's one of our good soft tail builds. Hello, my name is Mike, and this is our 2017 Road Glide Special, custom painted Dodge Destroyer Gray, Olin's front and rear suspension, 55mm front inverted with the Olin oil reservoir rear shocks. We have Trask handlebars, we have RSD grips and seat, and 114 cubic inch Screaming Eagle engine.
My name's Cole Freeman with Ill Conduct Harley-Davidson Stunt Team. We're out here at Newport Richey Harley-Davidson. I just got done having the pleasure of test riding the Destroyer 114, and this bike is absolutely amazing.
Has the Ohlins on front suspension built by Big Bear choppers on the front. It's got the Ohlins on the back, and this thing is absolutely amazing. It's purpose built for what I love to do, which is thrash these motorcycles like they're not supposed to be ridden. Wheelies like a dream, burns out, drifts. I was even doing acrobatics on it, and this thing handles like a dream. I was controlling it with my foot, steering it, and this thing does what I want it to do. So the service department did an amazing job. I can't say enough about this bike. Whoever gets it's going to be one lucky owner. Rock on and good job, guys. Newport Richie, you killed it.